Hi everyone! Today we are opening up. What are we opening up, Emmy? Boxycharm. Want to come back and say hi? No? That was supposed to be a cute intro, but we're a hot mess over here, so we are going to change over to overhead filming and open this Boxycharm box. Which I'm kind of like about. Hey guys, so this is the Boxycharm Base Box. Sorry again for my hot mess intro. I thought it'd be really cute to have Emmy, but she wasn't feeling it, and we're not going to force her. So the theme for Boxy this month is Dusk Till Dawn. So I guess that means like long lasting. I don't know. So I will link Boxycharm down below. I do pay for this myself. I don't know, C2208055 Badass is my thing there. And yeah, so you get like 5 items, right? Okay, let me just start off right away with what I was like so excited about to get my like little heart, my big heart sad. I was like, Natasha Denona, but then I realized I already have this palette. So it's a repeat item. And I might have gotten other items in the past before, I don't know, but this is 100% a repeat. And I used it today. I do really like it. So I'm gonna put this on my Mercari probably because I do pay for this box, but for cheap if someone wants it. It's really cute. So I think it's amazing that Boxycharm put Natasha Denona in its box, but it's a bummer when you get it. And I think I saw an email, but I just kind of disregarded it. It said they gave me a repeat and I have $6 credit to their shop. This is $48, but it's like I'll probably sell it for like 10. I don't know what the hell, but. Yeah, so this is the Cupid eyeshadow palette. I am like, I don't know, I'm just kind of a stan. I don't really care about brand names too much, but I love Natasha Denona. And I love their smaller palettes. So pretty. You saw me in the beginning. I was like dressed cute for a minute and then I had to put on comfier clothes. I'll put in a photo. I did take a selfie with my eyeshadow, but let's do a little swatcheroo. Swatcheroo. I get more like dad jokey, dorky every day. I think these didn't. Usually I would think that one would be darker. I don't really use that shade, but I love that one. Okay, let's see. So I feel like those didn't swatch amazing. This is what they normally look like. I have the middle 3 shades on my eye. I love the shimmers. I like all of her palettes. Like, well, that I've tried. My favorites. My favorite is a bronze palette. I love it so much. I just really like the performance. Like these work really well in the eyes, and that's what matters. Like I'm definitely no beauty guru. Like not amazing at swatching. Let me see if I can fix it like a little bit. When did I get this? Was it? I don't know. There we go. Much better. Yeah, that's good. So yeah. I will give this away or sell it at Mercari for cheap. I'm not trying to promote my Mercari store, but I do have one. Let's move on though. I used one other item. Well, this is I already had. And then I was super excited about this because I'm out of brow gel and I got a brow gel. By Qveen. What is it? Just Queen? Or I don't know. How do you say this? Queen, but with a V. Queen Studio Bow Down Brow Glue. Cute packaging. I feel like I had an eyeliner at some point by them. $16, and it's supposed to work for 16 plus hours. So I like to use this over my brows, like after I put some liner on. So it's like a standard one. It worked fine. I think the one I had before worked a little bit better. The one I had before was by like Millie Brown's, what's her name? The girl from Stranger Things. Florence is the brand. I had that, but it looked kind of gross, so I tossed it because I put it on after I used the tinted brow pencils. So yeah, I don't know. I'm excited to get this though because I needed it, and I was hoping one would come in one of the boxes, and it came 2 days later. So yay to manifestation. Now this is an item I had in the past. I'm not mad about getting it again. If I did get this in the past Boxycharm, who knows? It could have been. Well, I'm kind of feeling it might have been Ipsy. But Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. I do like this. $42. I feel like all eye creams kind of work the same, but I need to start using one again. I kind of just use like moisturizer, which works fine, which I've also heard from dermatologist, which is fine. Like, you don't need a special eye cream, some say. But I like using it. I like the whole step, and I feel like it has made a difference. So I'm excited to get this. It makes me want to eat avocados, though, so I might have to order some groceries. Let's look at it. It's cute packaging. I'll open it because I'm going to keep it. So yeah, even though like I didn't get the palette, or I got a palette that was repeat, the 2 products I'm for sure keeping are more than I paid, like $28 or whatever. So it's cute, right? I don't remember. Does it smell like avocados? Oh, I thought there wasn't a safety seal at first. It just came off in there. I don't really smell anything. So. Cool. It's cute. Avocado toast, even though my tummy kind of hurts. So Aesthetica. That's fun. So this is their Starlight Highlighter. Yeah, this is so fun. This is $25. Let's take a look. I haven't used powder highlighter in a while. I'm open to it though. I want to start doing my makeup more. I was watching the Gem Goddess like morning routine today. She posted it. I love watching morning routines. I find them like super motivating. But she was talking about how doing makeup like motivates you and you do more and stuff. I'm like, you know what? You're probably right because I haven't been doing much makeup. I've been doing stuff though. I'm trying, you know, getting back into the groove after being sick. Ooh, we're gonna swatch it. I want to keep things today. There's a mirror. Hello. Hey. Don't shoot me. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. I put that over the other, but you know, that would kind of look pretty like topping with that, but might have to use it more as an eyeshadow, but I bet I can work it on my skin. I'm a little bit more tan than normal. I think I'll continue to get tan now that I'm back to like doing walks like a few days a week. Cool. We'll have to try it out in my face, and see how it is. And for a second, I thought I got this before, but it's Basic Beauty. Maybe these are just basic colors. No offense to the brand. Latte and Cocoa Lip Liner Duo. It looks so familiar to me, and I was looking through all my lip liners, which is like way too many, so that's why I didn't open these. I think this one I thought looked like it, but it's a different brand. There's like brown. So they're like very like wearable, like, you know, colors, whatever, good for like lining your lips. Okay, maybe this is why. Cause I have so many. I didn't even realize I had a Natasha Denona one like this till earlier today. I don't know. But point being is I have a lot, and that's probably why it looks familiar. And the packaging is similar, you know? But these are really pretty. Let's see. I'm not going to swatch them because I'm going to give them away probably, or maybe put them on Mercari. Oops, shit. I just took it off in a way that... I wonder if it was kind of melted a little bit. Maybe I guess I'll have to keep that one. They're really pretty. Maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, I think they look pretty. I can't speak on the quality. If anyone has tried any of these items, will you please leave a comment down below letting us know your experience? And have you been getting repeats in Boxycharm? Because I'm pretty sure I saw emails twice. So you guys know this. I'm not very great at... Oh, I set some goal at some point. Let's just ignore that because I didn't. I was going to get rid of all my makeup I didn't use. I think I did get rid of a decent amount. I forgot to wipe it off. Anyways, I am not great at checking emails, but I'm pretty sure I read 2 different emails in the recent months, like this box and like a box like 2 boxes ago or something, where I got repeat items. I'm just putting all in here on display, and you get like $6 credit, but I don't feel like that's really, I don't know. Has it been happening? That's my point. I'm sorry. I'm long-winded and not making much sense today. Have you had repeat items in your Boxy as well? This is everything I got in my August box. I do think it's amazing they put a Natasha Denona palette in. I would have liked to get another one, but hey, I'm going to share with one of you guys. I like getting Glow Recipe. I needed a brow gel 2 days ago. I ran out, so that was sweet. And overall, I like all the items. So I'm not mad. It takes a lot to get me these days, but yeah, I'm not mad, but it's not my favorite. I don't know if I'm getting in this next month or not. Would you guys still get Boxycharm? Just give me all your thoughts on Boxy and boxes in general. How are you feeling about subscription boxes these days? I would love to hear. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Happy Friday. Have a great weekend. I will see you soon. Bye.